Is everything good? Uh, it is really nice seeing you all guys joining every day on time. That's like very difficult for any undergrad students to have that. I can see like a lot of ability or a lot of curiosity to learn things, and I hope like you'll make really big something. Let's say if you have chosen code, if you have chosen digital marketing, if you have chosen anything, that what matters is that how much time are you putting into it, how much efforts that you guys are putting into it is what matters a lot than you guys teaching learning something. Let's say if I'm not there, if any teachers are not teaching you, you always have an opportunity that to open. Let's say you don't know how to code, you don't know how to create your own web applications. Do you want to someone come here to say you that if you have that energy or like willpower to understand how will things work, that is like the utmost value someone can expect for themselves. So I can see like really great strength coming every day, so that makes me feel a lot of boosted, so I can expect everyone to have the same interaction, same decorum, uh, same motivation till the end of lectures. Can I expect that to happen? Can I expect the same enthusiasm, curiosity, or interaction till we had like next for one more month? Yeah, cool guys, cool. So let's have like a clear understanding of things. Uh, can anyone say now like what is digital marketing to you? What is digital marketing to you now? I can see your answers. Like in the first day when I asked you what is digital marketing, there's some answer. Yesterday there was different answers. Now can you all guys say what is digital marketing again? Can you all say what is digital marketing to you now? So basically, there's nothing called a specific definition for anything. What is digital marketing is different from the question. What is digital marketing to you is different. I have two questions now. What is digital marketing to you? Is not what is digital marketing. What is digital marketing to you guys? I've sent a question in a chat. Just say what is digital marketing to you now. What is digital marketing to you? Just write anything that you guys felt. There's nothing called right answer. There's nothing called wrong answer. What is digital marketing to you? I can't see any messages. Is there anything missing out on? Am I missing on anything, guys? Helps to promote products to reach customers. Yeah, crazy. Helps to promote products to reach customers. Okay. Digital marketing is an online platform where we can lead the customer satisfaction for the product. Nice. Someone said to bring the customer. Someone said we had a customer, we need to make him feel satisfied. The second answer by Girja is that we can making him felt satisfied will help me to get a better uh, ROI, which is called digital marketing. For Tulasi, it's digital marketing is an online platform through advertising, purchasing, and selling on goods and services. Nice. It's not online platform, guys. There is nothing called online platform. There is something called a way of doing things. Let's say you can call everyone and ask them to buy products. You can go to everyone's home and ask them to buy product. Correct. But digitally marketing the product is different from asking them to buy. Digitally marketing the product is meant you'll be sharing advertisements, you'll be promoting the product that will get the reach, and people will be interested. Like people who are interested are called leads. You will convert that leads into potential customers. We all got this now. Yeah, Siron correct. Marketing a product through online is through internet is correct. By which way? Which we can use Google Ads, we can use social media advertisement, we can use Reels, influencer marketing. Anything will come and do digital marketing. Do you all got me? Use of digital channels to market the product and services in order to reach the customers. Yeah, Prasanna is correct. PM Bharat. Promotion of goods and building relationship with targets. Correct. Clear. So someone write the whole holistic understanding that you guys got for last 2 days. It is also called online marketing where the goods are exchanged with the help of electronic device and internet. Clear. But there is something missing out, which is like electronic device and internet, which might not be the right way to portray this information. I'll just share my screen. Can you all see your charts? Like I hope you all can see your charts. I hope you all can see my screen. So digital marketing is also known as online marketing to targeting the audience, like lead them to scale and make one customer as returned customers. Correct. The internet and other forms of digital communication. Correct. The promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using internet. Digital marketing is an online marketing promotion of brand to promotion. Yeah. All right. Let's just discuss whatever everyone have written. Let's confirm the definition again, and we'll go to how will we get leads, how will we convert them to uh, potential customers, and we'll for the class for today we'll have a clear understanding of how to use pipelines and deals in HubSpot CRM. Before that, we'll have a quick understanding of how well things work with us. We'll be reminding all the topics that we have done so far, so that we'll get a better understanding of how well things work. What is a CRM? How will CRM help to get a better digital marketing? Why do we actually need a CRM? Do we actually need CRM? We'll ask few questions. We answer them. If you are right, well, then we'll go forward. Is everything clear, guys? Is everything clear? Is everything clear? Say yes or no, so that I can start with the session. Cool, cool. So let's start for the day. So basically, I built a product. Oh, I'll just make it off. I built a product. I built a product. Let's say this is product P1. I'm a company one. This is my company. I built a product, or I can build it as a service. Do you all know what difference between product and service? Do everyone know difference between product and service? I just give an example of what is a product and what is a service. You all use UPI. You all go to doctors. You all go to uh, you all have customer services, customer support. Will you take something home in these products? Do you take something home? Let's say I use Zoom now to teach. Is it a service or is it a service or product? Is it a service or is it a product? Is Zoom a service or a product? Service, service, service. So Zoom is called Zoom is nothing but software as a service. There's something called software as a service. Any company, they either have it as service based, they either have it as product based. Do you all use PowerPoint? Is PowerPoint a product or service? Is PowerPoint a product or service? Is PowerPoint is there in my local? I mean local as in your bare metal. Bare metal as in your laptop is called your bare metal or your local. Can you download it? Can you download it and use as you like? This is a product. They are not charging anything for using this particular service, or that is called a product. Now let's say you buy a phone. Is it a product or service? Is it a product or service? Mobile phones are product or service? They are products. Everyone is correct. So now any company will have two types of revenue generations. Two types of revenue generations. One, they either provide, they either get revenue from B2B customers or D2C customers. What is B2B? Business will sell to business. Business will sell to business, business to business, or direct to the customer, consumer or customer, or customer. So now, either B2B or B2C, how will you understand this? Let's say you would have you would have seen something like, have you all heard the term boat earphones? Do you all heard boat earphones? Is it a B2B service or is it a D2C service? Do they sell products D2C or B2B? Do they sell products to the businesses, or do they sell products to you? It's not D2C, it's not B2C, it's D2C. Direct to customers. D2C. Can you all see that? Do you all got what is D2C? It's not, yeah, D2C, direct to customers, direct to customers, direct to customers. Have you ever heard of the term? If you have heard about websites, if someone is building website development or application development, like building apps or building websites, will will a normal person will buy the product like that? Will a normal person buy a product like this? Will a normal janta will buy websites? Will they buy applications? If you are a business, if you are selling something, only then you will get this need. Only then you will get this need. So what are these called? They need B2B customers. They need B2B customers. Am I right, guys? Am I right in this? Do you all got what is a B2B customer, B2B company now? What is a B2B company? You all know Amazon. If you buy something on Amazon, you will add products to. It's not just Amazon, it's any e-commerce site. What is e-commerce? Electronic commerce site. Any e-commerce site, electronic commerce, Mintra, Amazon, Flipkart, any website, you will add products to your cart. Let's say this is your cart. You add all your products to cart. After you add your cards, you will automatically redirect it to, when you are making your payment. When you are making your payment, it will automatically go to phone pay. It will automatically go to phone pay. You will make your payment and you'll come back, order is placed. Have you all seen this? Have you all seen this? You'll place an order, you'll pay your money from UPI, but order is placed. Am I right, guys? So how will phone pay get money from this? How will phone pay get money from this? From this transaction, how will phone pay get money from this? So what happens is that when a customer makes payment for phone with phone pay or Paytm, These guys will analyze whom we are making this payment to, whom we are making this payment to, whom we are making this payment to. So these guys know we are making this payment to Amazon. These guys know who we are making this payment to Mintra. They know complete data whom we are making this payment to. They know PhonePe server is paying to Amazon server. So now they understood this person is particular person. Let's say my name is Sharan. I am making a payment from Amazon. I used UPI, which UPI PhonePe. So now PhonePe will know I buyed 7,000 rupees product from Amazon. So now Amazon got data. Amazon got data. Sorry, PhonePe got data. My data. So how will PhonePe will get paid with it? Is that PhonePe will have all the brands associated with it. PhonePe will have all the brands associated with it. Have you seen when you make some payments, you'll get something called scratch cards. When you scratch this card, you'll get offer coupons. How many of you seen them? Say yes if you have seen them. Have you got screenshots? I mean, uh, scratch cards. How will giving scratch cards to us make money to PhonePe? You will. How will PhonePe will make money from giving us scratch cards? Is that this is called brand promotions for brand promotions by the companies. They will wantedly give you offers using PhonePe. PhonePe will get paid from these companies to to give their offers to you. Do you all got me? According to your purchasing, promote other brands, those catch correct. Correct. So basically, PhonePe will get collaborated with all the companies. They will release their coupons to you based on your data, based on your data, your transaction data. Based on your transaction data, they will. Let's say if there's a person whose account is getting 1 lakh rupees a month or 5 lakh rupees a month. This guy will get promotions of a good phone. This guy will get a promotions of good a car. Do you all got this? And who is making monthly salaries, they will get a promotion for UPI. Sorry, this what do we call insurance, life insurance. We are getting that advertisements. So basically, there is something called AdSense revenue, even for Amazon Phone Pay. They will make money from AdSense. I never paid money to use Phone Pay, correct? But how will they make money? They make money from this. So it's a B2B company. It's not a D2C company. B2B company. Clear everyone? What is D2 B2C and sorry, what is B2B and D2C? Say clear or repeat for repeating. Say clear or repeat. More people will attract for the offers or scratch cards. It can lead to better results of the business. Exactly. Is it clear, guys? Do you all got how will PhonePe make money and why it is a B2B company? Correct. So now why did I taught you what is B2B and what is D2C? So let's say if I'm a B2B company, I'm a B2B company, I need to talk with the other company leaders. Other company leaders. Let's say this is company A. If I want to digitally market my products, I don't have to market it on online. I can directly call the people who are of the other companies. Let's say I will call the CEO of other company, CTO of some company. If I'm building a technical product, I will reach out to all the CTOs. If I'm building a technical products, and if I'm building something like Zoom, Zoom will reach out to all the big companies who are there in the market. Don't use Microsoft Skype or something. Use our Zoom, which is very easy, and you can record our lectures. You can record your meetings very easily, and it is cloud friendly. You can have it on cloud with less cost. Whom they will approach? They will approach other company ka founders, other company CEOs CTOs, CMOs, like they will reach out to these people and they will make money. What are these called? B2B company partnerships or company deals. B2B deals. What do you call them as? B2B deals. Let's say, what is a D2C? D2C is the biggest market for digital marketing. Digital marketing. For digital marketing, which is the biggest market? D2C. Let's say we have 1.4 billion people, which is across 1.120 crores or sorry, which is across 120 crores to 130 crores. Out of these, how many people have mobiles? A wild guess. How many people would have got mobiles in India? Out of 120 people, 120 crore people, how many people got? Okay, one of your friends guessed it's 90 crores. Let's consider it as 70 crores. Out of this, smartphones can be somewhere around 50 crores. Let's say 50 crore people have smartphones. How many of them will have proper internet connection? Proper internet connection. How many people? Seamless internet connection to all 50 crore people might not be the case. Somewhere around 38 to 45 crores. So now this is the exact market that we guys target. To this market, how will you reach? Let's say there's a company like Bolt wants to promote their earphones. They found most of the age group. Let's say there's an age group of 5 to 13, 13 to 28, 28 to 37, 37 and above. What is this? What is this? Customer segmentation. Do you all got what is this? Segmentation means separation. I've separated my customer audience, the whole 38 to 48 people into 5 to 13 age group, 13 to 28 age group, 28 to 37 age group, 37 and above. Do you all got till now? Is everything clear? Is everything clear? Is everything clear till now? So now, let's say if this is I'm selling earphones. Whom can I consider as the biggest market? Are these the people whom I can target a lot? 38 to 28 is the biggest market for any company. Let's say if it's a digital product company, they want to sell some digital electronic products. This is the biggest space. For iPhones, only the people who are from 24 to 28 have lot of iPhone users. iOS users are a lot in this particular space. So what will they do? Your Instagram, your Instagram. If you have seen, you would have at least seen one Apple ad in last 1 month. Apple started their company in India 3 months or 4 months ago. They started their own manufacturing center in India. From 1 month, they are promoting in India. How many of you seen in IPL or in general Instagram ads? Have you seen Apple ads these days in 1 month? Have you seen Instagram ads from Apple? That auto cab. If you have seen IPL, can you do you all remember that auto ad? I'll just show you that. Can you all see? Have you seen this ad? Basically, Apple phone will like just step out of his hand and it will get fall down, but it will not get affected. That is the advertisement. Like if you have seen that in IPL season, you would have seen that. So basically, This is called performance marketing. We will send targeted audience only. We'll send particular ads, and we'll get more ROI. What is ROI? Can anyone say what is ROI? Can anyone say what is ROI? Can anyone say what is ROI? Return on investment. Correct. Everyone. So, from the holistic understanding, which particular advertisements or what type of things should I do, and how will I make my leads converted to deals? Leads or prospects, we call them as leads or prospects. Converted should be converted into deals is the biggest job of any digital marketers, okay, or any sales teams. Clear, everyone? Is this particular point clear to everyone? Leads or prospects should be converted into deals. Is that clear? Is this clear? Digital marketing will find how many people are our target audience. That's why we are building a particular product for particular age group, which is like the most willing age group. We will run ads for them. We'll find the leads. We'll make it to deals. How many of you got this? Now let's re-understand the definition of digital marketing again. You had a product. You need to promote. You'll get prospects. You will run something called pipelines. I mean, you will have certain stages. You'll do something. You'll first send an email. You'll call them. You'll ask them how is your do you like to buy our product. Do you ask again? From these steps you will convert this particular person into customer. We call this particular type is called customer acquisition. What do we call them as? This particular process is called acquiring the customer. We call it as customer acquisition. ACQUISITION. Customer acquisition. I might be wrong in the spelling. Just give me a second. Yeah. This is spelling for acquisition. So basically, converting that lead to sale, the process is called acquisition. I messed up. Yeah, acquisition. Let's say, what is acquisition for Spotify? Let's say we had a product called Spotify. How will you bring a customer to use, to just use, not to buy, to just to use? Spotify is called acquisition. First stage, acquisition. To make him just to use, is called acquisition. Second step, to convert this acquisition customer to activated customer. What is activated customer? He creating a playlist there, or he created a playlist there. It means he is interested in using the application. It's called activation. Activation, second step. Third step is retention. How many times he is opening Spotify every time? How many times is he opening Spotify every day? Is called the retention of the customer. The fourth step: how will you monetize this customer? For any company to grow, to for any company to make money, which is very important, monetization. Someday you would have heard Spotify is for songs. That day you would have installed this, then you are acquired. Then you are acquired by Spotify. Without even you knowing that, you got acquired by Spotify. And Spotify someday made you feel using Spotify is nice. You would have created your playlist. If you are a song lovers, you would have created a playlist of your own. That is when you got activated customer activation. And sometime you felt you started opening once a day, twice a day, thrice a day. Then you got returned. Customer got returned. Later on, customer buy the premium subscription, which is monetization. Do you all got this? This is how GTM works, which is called go to market strategy. What is this? Go to market strategy. Guys, please take notes because I can't give it separately. If you want, please take the notes separate. I mean, on your notes. Go to market strategy. This is how people will acquire you. They will come. So if you have heard Geoca story, they gave free SIM cards. Then that is where you got acquired. You removed your previous SIMs. They acquired you. They gave Geo phones for less cost. They got acquired. Then you started using Geo phones, and buying, and you made your first payment to the Geo phone recharge. Geo recharge first payment is done. That is where you got acquired, so activated. Then you started returned it. Then they started monetization. They started increasing the price of, let's say, when JioPhone started, it is 45 rupees ka recharge. Now it is 112 rupees for anything. Like the base price is 148 or one. Even the 20-day plan is 148. They increased the customer acquisition to the monetization a lot. Now they are money making this complete money now. They are making this complete revenue now. In these stages, you would have got a lot of free offers. Now they'll take back the money again. What is this cost called? Customer acquisition cost. What is this called? Customer acquisition cost. As a sales team, you should make it as less as possible. As a sales team, as a digital marketing team, you should make the customer acquisition costs as less as possible. We all got what is customer acquisition cost now. What is acquisition, what is activation, what is retention, and what is monetization in Spotify, what is in geophone, geophones. Do you all got that? Is this clear or should I repeat the same? Is this clear? What is acquisition, what is activation, what is retention, what is monetization? Do you all got that? Is this clear or should I repeat? You can don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate to ask for repeating, because like we can have like discussion again. You want me to repeat or should I go to next topic? Please feel free to ask, sir. Yeah. What is monetization? So now I made some steps. I made some steps, and now user is mine. This particular user is mine. For Geo, it is always monetized, but not monopolized. What is monopolized? They didn't allow any other competitor to come into this market. They gave everything for free. Only competitor is Airtel now. Only competitor is Airtel. They made everything free. They acquired a lot of customers. They launched their Geo fibers. They launched their Geo routers. They made everything. They spent a lot of money acquiring all the customers. What is this cost called? Customer acquisition cost. They would have given a lot of things for free. Customer acquisition cost. When a new app is released, they will give you for less cost. They will give you discounts. If you have used Zomato will give a lot of offers. Initially, they would have given a lot of offers. They gave free delivery. They'll make your first delivery free, which is like customer acquisition cost for a company. Their competitor is doing that, then they'll do it. Now Swiggy is the competitor for them. So they do that and these guys do that. Say after all this, they'll start the monetization someday. That is where they'll make money. Do you all got me? Till then, till that monetization point, Zomato will run in losses. They'll run in losses. Till that point, they'll run in losses. When they start monetization, they'll get into profits. And they'll start their break even. Then they'll get into their profits. Do you all got this clear? I'll just give your terms: acquisition, activation, retention. What is the other one? Monetization, which is making money for the company. So basically, in bigger companies like Google, will have a, a team called product marketing. Google have product marketing team. They do the complete product marketing. They have GTM strategies. What is GTM strategies? Go to market strategies. How should we go to market? What should we do first to enter the market? How should we capture the whole market with acquisition models? Then they'll make the customer got activated. Then they'll make the customer get retained with better, good UI, better experience. User experience is good. Then they will start monetization. Is that clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Do you want me to repeat any particular statement of the class? Don't hesitate, guys. Ask if there is anything missing out on. I can see a lot of students leaving the class like, may I know the reason? Isn't it interesting, guys? Isn't the class interesting? Could you please repeat all the four statements? Okay. What is acquisition? You acquiring the customer. Basically, you will know to the customer. Let's say Spotify had songs or they stream songs. They will acquire the customer first. Basically, they will say on they'll put hoardings. They will do YouTube marketing. They'll do Instagram marketing. They would also done the same thing. What will every company do? They would have done some same thing. They would have done their marketing same way. They would have run their YouTube ads. Then they would have got acquired customers. After customers got acquired, they will make the customer got activated. Basically, someone creating their Instagram account or downloading Instagram app is called acquisition. Instagram downloaded is called acquired. Acquisition. He created his account. I mean, acquired means Instagram downloaded and created his account. Basically, they got into the platform, created account with his username. This is the acquisition stage. Then he will go to the second stage, which is called he will post something, post a story or post something on Instagram. That is the activation stage. That is the activation stage. Then he get into retention stage where he'll open Instagram few many times in a day. Few many times. Let's say it can be 1 to 10 or 10 to 100. It can be in retention stage. Now, how will they start making money with this person? Is that they will analyze his own complete data. They analyze his complete data, and they will start posting advertisement to his person, and that is when they will get advertised, monetized. If on the first day when he joined, if he got lot of ads, let's say if we can see 40 ads in a one day, will you use Instagram that day? Will use Instagram? Will he use Instagram? If he got 40 ads in the same day, the first day that he have joined, will he use that application? No, if I'm in that situation, I would have not used it. So similarly, they will make your acquised, then they will see that whether you got activated or not. If you are not activated, they'll give you some banner saying that you can create a post, you can create a story. Then they'll say you on stories they'll show you. Have you ever seen YouTube advertisement of Instagram? YouTube ad of Instagram. Have anyone of you seen that? Have anyone of you seen YouTube ad of Instagram? No. There's an ad of Instagram in YouTube also. They also run ads. Basically, they also want to get into acquisition model first. Do you all got it clear? The one who have asked me repeat four statements. 1 minute. Yeah. Namrata, is it clear for you now? Now is it clear for you? The four statements, the 4 points. Is this clear to you? Yeah. So now this is how things work. This is how products were built. Any software products will be built in this format, or any products. Then like general products can also be built in the same way. Sorry, what is this? Geosims are not at all into the software or any product, but they grow in the same format. So now this is how things work. Whatever might be the company, they'll have these four stages only, maximum four stages. Now let's analyze how will CRM help to convert leads to or prospects to. The class for today is how will a lead can be converted to deal using HubSpot CRM. If I can teach you how can you track or how can you build a pipeline which will help you to track complete leads and deals of your contacts. Let's say if you are a B2B company, you will talk to some other founder, you'll talk to some other company CEO, you'll have your contacts, you will convert these leads into deals. You will understand how much money can I make, everything. If you can analyze using HubSpot CRM, we can do all these things using HubSpot CRM. That is why HubSpot is very favorite for most of the marketeers. If you can create these two with your contracts, can you track and deals create deals practically now? Is it a good content for today, guys? Is it a good content for today, guys? If you can practically create a deal or a lead, if you can practically create a lead, if you know how to convert that lead into deal in multiple stages, is it a good content for today? And if the time permits, I'll show you one more CRM, which is like a famous CRM, which is like HubSpot, but it is used for some other purpose. I'll show that. Is it a good content for today, guys? How should I turn my leads into, sorry, my prospects or leads into deals? Everyone say yes or no. Do we want more or is it enough for today? Cool. Let's everyone open your HubSpot CRM. Everyone open HubSpot CRM. Everyone open HubSpot CRM. Yesterday I was getting mailchimp.com because of SEO, but after I opening it number of times, it got top. Can you all see this? Yesterday when I clicked on HubSpot CRM, I got mailchimp.com. Now mailchimp.com is not at all there in this. Can you all see this, guys? Have you all seen this difference? Have you all seen that difference? Yesterday, because of keywords, my Chrome device have suggested me mailchimp.com top, even though I have searched for HubSpot CRM. But today, when I searched for HubSpot CRM, it got only HubSpot CRM links. Can you all observe that? Can you all observe that? Can you all observe this? Let's open. Everyone click on that and open. So when you got this screen, you can't find something like it will automatically open something like this. You can click on any Google Mail that you have signed up with. I'll just open with this. And you all see this. Continue with this user. Continue with this account. So I hope you all clear with what is workspaces, what is CRM, marketing, everything. But we will start with CRM today. Uh, Say me yes once you are done with your opening. When you open, say me yes that you have opened. Everyone open. Everyone can see the screen. Everyone can see this dashboard. I hope everyone can see this dashboard. So you got something like this. Can you all see this sidebar? Now click on this CRM ka sidebar and open deals. Everyone do this first. No, no. Let's first open contacts. Let's first open contacts. So show me how to open. I'll click on HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM. It'll open something like this. Click on first link. When you open something like this, you can click on get free CRM. Even without clicking this, you can click on get free CRM. If you already created your account, something like this will come up. Now click on this. Click on this again. It will open HubSpot CRM. You can see this. Is it clear now? Is this clear now? Can you all do this? Everyone can open, or if there is any problem opening this, I'll show it again. Any problem? Okay. So I hope everyone can see this. Type yes if you can see this screen. Type yes if you can see the screen. So I have 13 days left in Marketing Hub Professional. By the time I'll get this. I mean, I'll lose this trial use case. Can you all see this? So now click on CRM. You'll get all these options. Go to contacts. Type yes if you can open dashboard. Type yes or no, so that I can start the session for today. The actual content for today. Everyone. Okay, nice. Now let's click on this. Click on contacts. So, can you all see some already created contacts in your device? Can you all see already created contacts here? I haven't created any contacts. It automatically gave me two contacts. They are like dummy contacts. Don't have mobile number and even they don't have emails. Can you all see this? Can you all see this, guys? Everyone say me yes if you can see some two random contacts in the contacts page. They are not legit contacts, they are just random contacts. Can you all see this? Let's create a contact. Click on this create contact button. Click on this create contact. On the top right, can you all see create contact? Click on create contact. Let's put the email as okay at the rate gmail.com. First name, okay. Last name, okay. Let's just put random names. Contact owner. You can put. If you have like lot of people working in your team, you can see all your team. But for now, let's put it as your own name as your contact owner. Job title. Who is this person? Who is this person? Let's say this is. Let's say he is Mr. Rakesh. Last name is K. What is his job title? CEO. Let's write some phone number. Which state, which country? Let's write it as India. Well, put a number. Let's write a number 6 8. So now I just apply. Now it got formatted and it got added. Lead status, life cycle of lead. Can you all see something like this? I'll just put it as lead status. Lead is open, closed, qualified, attempt to count. I'll just put it as new and then add it as create. I add it as create. So now when I open, it automatically opens the screen which has Mr. Rakesh K, CEO, okay at the rate gmail.com. Can you all see his information now? It is created on 14th June, 7:57 p.m. Can you all see him? Can you all see him, guys? Can you all see it is created? Just says in the chat if you have done with the if you are done with the creating. I have no laptop, so what should I do? Okay. If you have any of your friends with you, just go to him and watch, or else just see what am I trying to do. Then you can understand. You don't have to do it on your own. Like if you don't have laptop, but try to have a laptop. It is very helpful if you are doing practicals. But if you are couldn't able to have it, just see my screen. What I've done now, I'll just open it again. I'll click on CRM. I'll click on contacts. Did it got added a new contact? Did it add a new contact? Everyone say yes or no. Did it added a new contact? Can you all see this? Mr. Rakesh got added now. Everyone create one contact. If you are using and if you have started doing something, make sure you create a contact. You just name anything and it will open some screen like this. Everyone see a screen like this. And if you are seeing me and doing, what should you do? You should put two tabs. One tab like this, the other tab like this. You can set two tabs. You can see my video here. Replicate the same in this. Is this clear, guys? Command for that is Windows plus right arrow, Windows plus left arrow will give you the separate dashboard, like to see if you want to see it separately two screens. You can use Windows plus right arrow, Windows plus left arrow. So if you have created your contacts, can you all see these contacts? Is it the contact that I've created now? Everyone can see this about this contact. Can you all see this contact? Say yes or no. Is this created? Everyone type created if you have created. Done with the creation of contact. Everyone. Okay, guys. Can you all see the screen? So with this contact, if I got any new leads, if this person helped me to get a new lead, talk to your admin to start using leads. If I had a deal with one person, this particular person, it will show all my deals in this particular person. Let's say I'll say what is a deal, but let if I have any deals with this particular person, this contact, I can have all my deals here. Let's say I had a tickets, I had any problems with this particular person, or this person I have raised some there is a problem with my dashboard, there is a problem with my product, there is a problem with my that this. You can see all the problems, everything related to that person tickets can be seen here. Track the customer request associated with this record. Can you all see this part? Can you all see this? Tickets, say yes or no. Do you all got tickets? Can you all see tickets? Can you all see these tickets? This particular person, if he raised any request, we can see all his requests. For all his payment links, we can see his payment links. So for all the contacts which are associated with this particular contact, we can see all the contacts. Let's say this person is the CEO of the company. He gave us four other people ka data, his sales team lead ka data, and his developer team data. He gave four other contacts to us. We created their contacts also. If we want to add that particular person contacts list to here, we can add one more person in this as a contact again. Can you all see that? I can add existing ones or I can create a new one. If I add existing ones here, save. Can you all see this? Can you all see this, guys? In this contacts list, I got one more person. Can you all see this? And is this person having any subscriptions? We can see this. What are the payments done by this person? We can see this. If we sent any attachments, any photos, see the files attached to these activities. We can see everything related to him here in the attachments. Contact create attribution. This is nothing like we know how many leads that this person have created. We can see in the linear only one lead. So this person can create us help us with the other leads also. Invoices. How many invoices does this person have created? Set up payments. So for every payment that you have done, you can have an invoice in this particular tab only. Then all the playbooks, how many calls that he have, what are the calls. We can have workflow memberships. We can have like multiple people talking. So basically everything related to this particular contact will be here. Did he have any leads? Do we have any deals with him? Do we have any tickets with him? Do we have any payment link options? Do we have any contacts associated with this particular contact? View connected contacts. Can you all see? So do you all got what is a contact now? Do you all got what is a contact in CRM now? Say me clear or not? Clear or repeat? Do you all got what is a contact in one particular person ka contact in CRM? Let's say if I'm a company, I want to run my company, I will talk to a lot of people every day. I can't put all the contacts in my mobile. What will I do? I will put all my contacts in the CRM only. I will run everything related to him in the contact section. For every person, I have complete dedicated page where I can send, where I can put everything related to him in this only, so that I won't get lost with any information. So if I'm doing it in, yeah, you please repeat it, sir. So that is what I'm saying. Let's say if I am running a company. Let's say I had 100 people whom I can get a business from. I'm running a digital marketing agency. There are 100 people who are having need for digital marketing. They will approach me. 100 people approaching me. I can't save all the 100 contacts and write everything in a paper that this person is there at this position. He said that, he said this, and I can't write on a paper. What will I do? I will create a contact in the CRM. In the CRM, I can create a contact. Similar to what will I do in the mobile contacts, I can create a contact here. I created a contact called Mr. Rakesh, who is a CEO of a company. I created a contact. I hope you all can create a contact. How to create a contact? CRM, in the contacts page, you all can see at the top right, you can see contact, create contact option. Or you can import, like let's say there's an Excel sheet where you have all the mobile numbers with their range. You can import also. You can import as in From mobile also you can import, or if from your deals also you can import. From Excel sheet also you can import. So now I'll go to contacts again. For every contact, let's say this is the Mr. Rakesh contact, I'll have everything related to Rakesh here. If Rakesh created any leads, I can see them. Talk to your admin to start using leads. If Rakesh have any leads deals with us, Rakesh had we had two projects with Rakesh. One project is for website development, the other project is for advertisement. Let's say these two are our deals. If you are a digital marketing agency, we do that stuff. No, we will create websites if you want. If they want, if they are not having a website, we will help them with a website. If they are not having any advertisements, we will help them with the advertisements. If they want any social media marketing, or if they want any influencer marketing, we can help. All these are considered as deals. If I want to add a deal for him, I can create here. If any person, if this person have any tickets, did he, if he requested for anything with us, if he have any queries, if he have any problems with our associated with our company, he can raise a ticket. All the tickets can be seen here. All the tickets we can track it here. Track the customer requests associated with this record here in the ticket section. This particular page is only specific to Mr. Rakesh, the content that I've created, the payment links, and the contacts. If you have any contacts given by Rakesh, we will be having them as a contact associated with Rakesh. We all associate contacts. Let's say he's the CEO of the company. He will not talk to us every day. Basically, we will be assigned with a sales team or his marketing team. We will be assigned with them. So their contacts will be there in his contact section. We will have all his contacts which are associated. Now he made some subscriptions. We can see it here. He made some payments. We can see here. He sent us some attachments. What is attachments? He sent some photos. There's a problem with this application. We can see everything that he sent from attachments. He sent some create attributions or anything. Have you ever called Amazon customer service and asked that person that I had made this payment on this particular day, but I had a problem with this? Have you heard them? Have you ever called Amazon team or anyone said, I have ordered this, I have ordered that, or I ordered this, but it is not coming. It is very slow. Do Have you ever done this stuff? Have you ever called Amazon team or any teams, calling and saying everything? So basically, what will they do is that with your contact, they will they will write a ticket, and they will raise a ticket so that their team members can see here. Do you all got me now? When someone created a ticket, it will raise to all the users. Like if I can click on this tickets, can you all see this? Create a new ticket. Creating a ticket name. I will say uh, problem with problem with using our CRM. Let's say if I'm raising a problem with HubSpot, problem with using our CRM. Let's say it as HubSpot particular section. Let's say HubSpot contacts. He's having problem with if I called Zomato guys, what will their problem be? Money is cancelled, but food is not coming. Something like that. Status is new. Let's say if someone solved this ticket, what will they turn this new to? Waiting on contact, waiting on us. If it is completed, they'll set it as closed. But for now, it is just ticket, new ticket. Ticket description. We can explain what is our ticket, how will this ticket is. So let's say this is having. I have opened. I have opened HubSpot CRM, but I can't see contact section. So they will call you or they will send you an email saying that yeah, please click on the CRM. You will be able to see contacts there only. Then they will set this ticket status from new to closed. Where did you send? Is it in the chat box? Is this person sent it as an email? Let's say it is sent it an email. How priority is this? It's a low priority problem. If someone talking about their refund or something, it is called high priority. Associated with ticket with Mr. Rakesh. He raised a PR. He's a company. His company is let's say HubSpot or some company. Okay. Now create. Now what will happen? Rakesh ka ticket got created. So all of my team members can see this. All of my team members can see this problem now. Do you all got me? Everyone? Contacts in Rakesh, I can see all the problems associated with Rakesh. Rakesh, if you can see there, he haven't gave us any leads, he haven't had any deals with us, but he had a ticket with us. Can you all see? Opened a day ago. Owner Charan. This created by me. Status is new. If it is solved, I will put it as closed or I'll put it as waiting or something. Do you all got a clarity about how to use contacts? Do you all got a clarity about how to use contacts? Do you all got how to use contacts? Everyone, is it clear or should I repeat? Is this clear or should I repeat? Please don't hesitate, guys. Just say me if you are having any problem or difficulty in understanding things. It will not just help you, but also some other people who haven't said again. It will help you. It will help them to get better. Say if you have any problem understanding this. Okay, nice, clear, sir, clear, sir. Nice. Okay. Then how to raise the ticket, sir? It is not raising ticket. Basically, let's say if you are a team of five people, if you are a team of five people, you are working on this CRM. Everyone can share your problems. Basically, the customer will call you. You will create a ticket to all of your team. So now team can see the tickets in the ticket section. If you have seen yesterday, in the ticket section, can you all see this problem? Can you all see this ticket? We created that in the contact section, but it is created here. Can you all see this in the ticket section? Can you all see this in the ticket section? You created ticket there, but it is coming here. Am I right, everyone? Can you all see this priority? It is a low priority task. Yesterday created at 8:10 p.m. Created name. I can change this. Actually, I will change to 14. It changed now. I will save it. So now I made an update. Ticket owner, I created this ticket. Source, it is from email. I got this ticket. Now, if I want to assign this ticket to someone, how will I assign? If it is complete, I'll set it as selected, assigned to. I'll have multiple owners. I can set it to mine and update. So if I had a team of five people, I will raise to other people. For example, I had three teams or four teams or five members in the same team. Uh, I will take the calls. I will take the calls. I will create a ticket. Someone from our team have to take care of it. How will we do? We will assign that particular task to that particular team member or particular person. He will take care of it. Do you got it, Prasanna? How to raise a ticket? Do you all got this? How to how will tickets get assigned? Or when you call someone, no, when you call Amazon or someone, they'll ask you to how will assign tickets. Yeah. When you click on this, it will show this part assign. When you click on this assign, bulk assign one record. It will show all your team details. I will show this. I'll put a screenshot. Another screenshot of how to assign. If you can see this is a ticket that I have created. Now I have created this ticket for a particular contact. Now it is there in the CRM. On CRM, I can click on tickets. When I click on tickets, I can see this ticket. Now how will I assign? I will click on this tick mark. I'll have a tick mark here in the square brackets. I'll tick it. When I click it, it will show something like one ticket selected, assign. You can assign. When you click on this assign, something like this pop up. Ticket owner from till now there is no ticket owner. When you have a team of five people, it will show, like, let's say this is a team of 5 or 50 people. It will show all the 50 people ka names. You can assign it to the any of your teammates. Do you all got a clarity now? That means it is a raising ticket. When you call any Amazon customer support or any customer support people, they will say, "We raised your query, sir. We will reach back in some time. Give us one more day or 2 more days." Have you seen that messages? Have you seen that call saying that? Have you guys seen that ever? Same yes or no? They will say we will reach back to you in like 1 day or 2 days. That is where this comes in. This ticket assignings or raising queries comes in. So do you all got what is a contact? How can we use contacts to do this part? With contacts on top, we can create new contacts. For every contact, we can do whatever the stuff that is there on the right corner. Can you all see this part? We can create new leads with this particular person. We can create new deals with this particular person. I will show what is deals now. We can create new tickets. We can have multiple payment links, contacts that this person have given us, subscription that this person have made, everything. So if you can see recent activities, what this person have done, we can see everything about that particular person recent activities in this. Everyone clear about this? Everyone got this contacts ka part? Everyone say clear for contacts. Clear or repeat for contacts. Clear or repeat for contacts. Repeat for contacts. Okay. So basically, this is the contact section. I'll quickly wind up in 1 minute. This is a contact section. If you want to create a new contact, as you do for your mobile, you can create on create contact. You can when you create on when you click on create contact, it will ask for what is his email, what is his first name, what is his last name, what is his job title, what is his phone number, life cycle of this stage. Basically, he is a lead or he is already a converted customer or something. It'll ask it lead status. Is it a new lead or is it an old lead? Then you'll create when you click on this create, it will create something like this. I'll just click on cancel here. When you click on lead, this is the name that I've set: first name, last name, email, phone number. I created because of that. It is showing me Charan L. I'm the owner of this. Let's say I written this payment name, primary name of the company as, let's say, his company name. He's the CEO of some company. I'll write it as CEO of the company. Last activity, when did I created this? Is it lead status is new or old? When did I create it? Today at 5:57. Sorry, 7:57. It's 8:19 now. 7:57. I have created this lead. So now this is the contact. But if I had anything associated with this contacts, I can add it in this part. When I click on this particular contacts, this page is dedicated only for this contact. So now I have all his contact information here. Now I can add anything related to his companies. If he had any companies, I can add it here. If he had any leads, if he help us with any leads, this guy also helped us with some leads. We can create that person's leads. He gave us some leads. We can also take that leads. We can make business again. We can also, if you have any deals associated with this person, we will have deals here. If you have any tickets, I've created a ticket here. Problem with using your CRMs are better. That shows me all my tickets associated with this particular person. If I had any payments problem with this person, I have this payment links. If I had any contacts associated with the person, this person is here now. If I had five more people associated with this particular person, I have all his contacts in this particular section. If I had any subscription with him, I'll have all his subscriptions here. If I had any payment related issues with him, I'll have all his payment related issues. Track payments associated with this record. Record means it's a contact. Record means contact. Track payments associated with this record. A payment is created when a customer pays or recurring payment is processed through their hotspot account. Do you all got a clarity now? Is this clear now? Clear for contacts? Have you got it? Rituraj, have you got that? Did you understand what is contacts now? Did you say again? Clear or repeat for contacts? Repeat. It would be better if you can go through the recording, which it's already twice that happened. Is anyone saying repeat? Like, is it the only one person? Is Do I need to repeat again for context? Do you want a clarity on context again, or is it clear? Okay. Who is this? Lavanya, just please go through the recording or like only this particular part of the video because it is like helpful for you. It will kill some of the time. So now, done with the context part. I can create companies also. However, I created contacts. I can also create companies. How to create companies? Same again. I can create a company from here. I have to write the complete company guy information. I'll click on create. Let's create a company ka create account. Let's say it's speranza.com. I'll just write it. Just everyone focus. I created on companies. I'm creating a new company now. It is only having HubSpot, which is a dummy company, which is an example company. For me, I will create a original company now. Company name Speranza. Company owner, let's say I'll put myself a owner. I'll write it as accounting or development. I'll write it as development. Program development, I'll write it as type. Let's say it's a prospect or partner or reseller or vendor. Let's write it as prospect. We are looking as prospect. Basically, they are lead now. Let's say city as Hyderabad, state as um, Telangana. Now postal code. Let's enter some postal code. Number of employees of the company. Let's say it's 10. Annual revenue 1.2 crores. Now let's put the time zone as something. Let's say let's put it as IST time zone. Let's say company description is something. LinkedIn company page. Let's put some LinkedIn page. Oh my god, I think there's a problem with this. Why am I not getting create option? Did I miss anything? Okay, not valid email. I just press. Now I got it. Did it got created, guys? Now I'll just open companies in a new tab. Can you all see this? This is contacts. I'll open companies. Can you all see this, guys? Can you all see this? Phone number, last activity, city, country, everything. Can you all see that? Everyone, can you all see that? Say yes or no. It created. It created a new company. Now, company information. Same everything, whatever I have discussed for contacts, I can have the same to same everything as for companies again. Did you all can see the same interface again for companies? Did you all can see same interface companies as well? Everyone? Did you all can see interface whatever we have seen the interface for contacts can we all see for companies also. This is that. Next, let's go to deals, which is the important part of the company, which is the important for part for today. For today's class, this is the important. Let's say I'll just delete this, whatever is there already. I'll just delete it. Delete this card. Yeah. Can you all see when you click on the deals? Can you all see this? Say yes or no in the chat. Can you all see this? Can you all see something like this when you open deals? Can you all see something like this when you open deals? Total amount, deal amount zero, weighted deal amount zero, open deal amount zero, closed one, nothing. Like everything is zero, 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 everyone. Is it something like this? Appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, decision maker bought in, contract sent, closed won, closed lost. Can you all see that? No, no. Click on these deals. Can you just say me what you can see there? When you click on deals, what you guys can see there? Is there anything different from this? Okay, I hope everyone can see this. Now to create a deal, you should click the same place, create deal option. This will be different. This will have deals name, pipeline. So basically, I will say what is pipeline first. Let's write whatever is here, whatever are stages here. In sales, the main point in why people use sales CRMs is that why do we need a sales CRM or like any CRM? Basically, these are CRMs. Main point is converting leads into deals. In this process, we will have multiple stages. We will have multiple stages: stage one, stage two, stage three, based upon the company B2B or B2C, are based upon number of people involved, number of people have to take this decision. We will have multiple stages. We can have three stages to 10 stages also. We can have three stages. If it's a small startup, only one have to find this. We can have only three steps. But when it's a big company where we need to talk to everyone in the company, we might need to schedule a call. We might need to end up getting into a right person. Then the decision maker have to say it yes or no. Then we'll have like lot of steps involved in the leads to deal making point. These are all need to be handled by CRM only. Like that is why it is famous. That is why this is famous. What do we call this complete story as? Pipeline. What do we call this as? Pipeline. Do you all got this? Do you all got what is a pipeline? Should I repeat pipeline or should I? Is it clear? Should I repeat pipeline or is it clear? Is pipeline clear or should I repeat? Okay. So let's say I got few leads. My leads from advertisements. I got some leads. To convert these leads into sales or deals, to make some money, I need to talk to multiple people. Let's say I need to schedule a call with some person, and then some other person he will say some other person to reach out. I'll have a call again. Then this person asks for a demo. I will have a demo. Then this person said I'm not the decision maker. These are the decision maker. Decision maker thought in. Then it will go to close one means we got the deal. No closed, lost. Basically, we lost this deal. So can you all see, based upon companies, based on companies, based on products that we are selling. Let's say if we are selling some products like earphones, we might have only two or three stages or three or four stages at max. Let's say we are selling some product like Zoom. Let's say we are selling something like Zoom ka access. Let's say we are selling Zoom access for 10,000 people at a time. We need to talk to other. Let's say this is a company called uh, Alpha. This is a company called Alpha. Company has 10,000 employees. We are asking that company head person, CEO or some other persons, we'll have multiple calls associated to sell Zoom ka access for 10,000 people. We might have to have lot of calls. Am I right? This is called, this particular whole flow is called pipelines. Is this clear? Those multiple steps are called pipelines. We all got those multiple steps are called pipelines. Say yes or clear or repeat. Say me clear or repeat. Should I repeat this? Guys, don't hesitate because like I'm okay to explain it again because it will also help some of your friends if they lost it. Please say repeat if you want to repeat. Everyone, is everything clear regarding the pipelines? Is everything related to? Yeah. So now Let's have this. Now I found my product, my particular product is having some levels in these stages. For every stage I might cost something. It is some cost. Let's say building this sales lead to getting the first call with the person, I might spend some money. From second person to third person I have to spend some money. And also I had some probability of getting money. I have some probability of getting money. In the first stage I might get I might not get 100% revenue. I'm very sure at least there is a chance of 20%. uh, and the second, when I'm getting to the second stage, I can say it is 25%. Third stage, 30%. Fourth stage, 50%. Sixth stage, we are in 70%. When we are into the last stage now, we are into 100%. Definitely, we will be able to close this deal. We will have probability for every step, for every stage in the pipeline. We have some probability. Will this lead gonna be a success or a failure? Based on the person that we are talking, how many stages that this product is going through, we can have something. So can you all see total deal amount, deal amount, open deal amount, closed one, no new deal amount. So for the company to understand their revenue points, to understand their revenue streams, how much money they can make in this month, how much money they can make in this 1 year, how many money they can make from the deals that they are doing now. To have that complete understanding, they will have this CRM card deals part. Do you all got why do we need deals part of CRM now? Say me clear, why do we need this part? Say me yes or no for this part. Say me yes or no for this part only. Can you all understand what is this? Can you all got what is this? Do you all got what is that? So how many deals are open? Do we have deals which have a lot of probability? Do we have deals? So based upon the probability, we will consider high probability this much money. There's a chance that we can make this much money. So that is how things will be in mind when we are saying weighted deal amount, the total deal amount, which are already accepted, but we need to solve them. Uh, Someone said there's an offer, but there's an option, but we haven't closed it yet. But someone, these are the main ones. These are the ones which we closely won. Basically, we can make this much money exactly for sure money. These are obvious money. These are all having some probabilities that we can make, we cannot make. We have to work properly then to get that. Do you all got how will company will estimate their revenues? How will they have deal propositions in their head? Say me yes or no for that. Is this clear? Why do we need deal amounts information? Then we'll start creating a deal. Then we'll find out how to understand. Say me, is everything clear regarding the deals, deal money amount, everything? Where the money, how much money we can make, how much money do we have? Everyone, yes. So now let's create. Is anyone want me to repeat? Like just put a repeat message. If you want me to repeat, do you all got what is deal amount? How will we weight deal amount? What is the open deal amount? What is the closed deal amount? Do you all know? Do you all got now? Do you all got it now? Quick guys, quick, fast. Say me yes or no. Do you all got this? Can I start next one? Can I create? Let's create deal now. Can we create a deal? Chalo. Now same again. Let's click on create deal. It will open a sidebar again. I'll write this deal name as website development. Website. I'll write it as some company came to us and said we need a website development project. We had a website development project. And so can you all see this deal stage now? Let's discuss about deal stage first. Can you all see the deal stage? Can you all see deal stage? Can you all see this deal stage? Appointment scheduled. So basically, for the deal that we are doing, we have few stages that we set up. So basically, we can create our own pipelines. If you want to create a custom pipelines also can also be created. Can you all see the sales pipeline? For now, I set it as default. If you all seen, I set it as default, but I can create a new pipeline also. I can create a new pipeline based upon my requirements. I can create a new pipeline. I will click on this edit pipelines. If I want to create a new pipeline, I'll click on this edit pipelines. I can I can create a new pipeline. If I want to create a new pipeline, I will create a click on pipeline name. Let's name it as uh, mm, technical products, technical sales pipeline. Let's name this as technical sales pipeline. Let's create on create pipeline. So now I can write what are stages. Can I have this stage? Can I not, like appointment schedule, meeting, meeting schedule. Like you can create any number of stages. You can add stages. You can add any number of stages that you want to add. I'll just add this and I'll just save it. Click on save in the left corner. It will get saved. So now when I click on here, I'll have two options. I'll just refresh the screen. Can you all see two options here? Can you all see these two options now? Everyone, say me yes. So based on the number of stages that you want to have, you have your customized pipelines. You can have your customized pipelines. I've created a pipeline. It got added into this. I can go to I can use any of the pipelines. Can you all see appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled? It is from sales pipeline. Let's say I'll go to technical sales pipeline. Can you all see this? Meeting scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation. I didn't change anything. I just made this meeting scheduled, like appointment scheduled to meeting scheduled. Do you all understood what I've done? Is this clear? This is the very important important part of the class. How to create a new pipeline and also yes in the pipeline. I haven't created a deal. You how to create a new pipelines. How to create a new pipelines? I'm showing you. Is everything related to creating pipelines? Do all confirm me, please. Clear regarding creating pipelines or not? Clear regarding creation of pipelines? You can create a pipeline of any stage, any number of stages. If you want to create a pipeline of two stages, you can create. If you want to create a pipeline of four stages, you can create. Do you all got how to create a pipeline? Okay. So if you can see here, can you see? I hope you can see only one pipeline. For you, if you haven't created a pipeline so far, in the deal section, in the CRM, in the deal section, when you click on deals, when you click here, it will automatically be on sales for you by default. But to create a new pipeline, you should create on edit pipelines. When you click on this, it will automatically go open a new page. Now it is open a new page. Now it asking me select a pipeline. But what will I do? I'll click on this. I want to create a new pipeline. Can you all see this option? Can you all see this? Can you all see this option for creating a new pipeline? I will show you something very clean now. If you can see this, use deal pipelines, use pipelines, manage the way you track potential revenue. Can you see the term potential revenue? అంటే ఎంత రెవెన్యూ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది అని. This is potential revenue. So basically, deals will help you to have the potential revenue point of your company. Do you all got this clear? So now I will click on this create pipelines. I will click on this create pipelines, then see what happens. I will click on create pipelines. I will name this create pipelines as let's say um, IIDT APSCHE pipeline. Now I'll click on create. What happened? It got created. It's success. Can you all see this? It will show success. Your pipeline is created. Now I'll go to back to this. If you want to change these pipelines, you can change whatever you want to. Can you all see these stages? Let's add one more stage somewhere. Let's add one more stage. Let's add one more stage as meeting completed. Let's put it as first customer, first sale done. But this is not a legit one. But let's have it as decision made. Decision made. So can you all see for everyone, for every point, do you have a deal probability? Can you have at every stage? Do you have a deal probability? Can you all see deal probability for every stage? For every stage, can you all see deal probability? So how much probability do we have for this particular stage? Is this what it is saying? So let's say I'll put it on top. So now decision maker bought in 80% and decision made. Let's put it as 85%. 85%. Oh, we don't have an option. Add an option. So we have these many stages. Appointment scheduled means 20% deal probability. Qualified to buy means they are 40% probability. Presentation scheduled means 80% probability. Decision maker bought in means 80% 80% probability. The decision maker made a decision. Now it is 85% probability. Con- Contract details sent 90% probability. They paid the money. We won. We made it possible. So now after this creation is done, after this creation of pipeline is done, you click on save to save this pipeline. Now let's open deals and I can see only sales pipeline and technical sales pipelines now. But when I refresh it, I'll be able to see the three pipelines. Can you all see IIDT APSCHE pipelines? Can you all see IIDT APSCHE pipeline? I will click on this. Can you all see decision made icon now? Now put clear or repeat. Put clear or repeat for creating the pipelines. Put clear or repeat for creating pipelines. We haven't created a deal yet. We will create a deal next and next check that. But for now, let's be clear upon what is a pipeline. Do you all make me feel that you guys are clear with the pipeline creations? Who asked me first? Yeah, Rituraj, are you clear with your creating pipelines? Are you clear with creating pipelines? Say repeat or clear. Is this clear or repeat? Where is Rituraj? Is this clear or repeat? Creating pipelines is clear or not? Okay. Yeah, confirmed. So, who asked me to repeat? Said clear. Let's go to next topic. So now we had everything. This is to estimate. If you can see this point, it is for tracking the potential revenue. This is the main point. Why do we have this deal point? For tracking the potential revenue. For tracking potential revenue. How much revenue can be made? Can be analyzed with this revenue ka deal point. Do you all understand why we need CRMs for this? Do you all understand why do we need CRMs? Say yes or no. Do you all understand CRMs reasons for CRMs? We can do it manually here, and it will show us what is the probability, how much revenue can we make. We can handle our contacts. We can call our contacts. We can schedule deals. We can schedule meetings. Do you are understanding the importance of CRMs for digital marketing now? Say yes or no. Say yes if you are got if you are getting the digital marketing important CRM importance for digital marketing for making sales for a company. You all getting the importance of CRMs? Are you all feeling good? Is it interesting, guys? Is this interesting? Is everything interesting? Okay. Let's now let's now jump into the main part, which is you creating the deal. Let's click on create a deal. Let's put the deal as website development for AppSci pipeline. Let's use this AppSci pipeline which we have created only. You can use any pipelines. We'll have options to use any of the pipelines that we have. Let's use IIDT AppSci pipeline only. So which stage we are in? We are let's say we are in deal appointment schedule stage. Amount, let's put the amount as $2,000. Let's click on create. Let's click on create. Can you all see something? Now it got opened. This deal got created. Now can you all see same tickets, same things, contacts, companies, tickets, payment links, deals, subscriptions, everything same. Is everything same here, guys? Is everything same like contacts? Is everything same as contacts? Oh, is it is something missing out? Yeah. Is everything same as contacts? Website development. How much amount? $2,000. Let's say closing date is 30th June. Today date is 14th. I set it as closing dating as 30th June. Appointment got scheduled. Pipeline I'm using is IIDT APSCHE pipeline. So now this deal is created. Now let's see what we can do with this CRM. Uh, let's go to deal section again. Can you all see that this is scheduled? Can you all see? Can you all see this? Can you all see the revenue now? Oh, is there any problem? Can you all see this, guys? I've added a deal. I've added a deal. It automatically gave me $2K is the deal amount. But now weighted deal amount is $400 only. Why? My deal amount is $2,000, but my weighted deal amount is only $400. The reason is the probability of getting this deal. The probability of getting this deal is only 20% now. Can you all see? Total is $2,000, but the weighted deal is $400 because the weighted deal is calculated based upon the weighted weighted amount is calculated because of sorry with the probability. Let's say I will change this website development appointment scheduled appointment got completed. They qualified to buy. Is this changed now? Did it got changed? Is the amount getting changed? Let's refresh it. Is the amount getting changed? We are in the third stage. Let's say we are in the third stage. What is the amount, weighted amount now? What is the weighted amount now? Can you all see that amount is changing? Let's say we are in the decision maker stage. It is 80% of the whole decision. Let's say let's refresh this. We are at that stage. What is it saying? We had $1.86 ka weighted deal amount. Do you all got me now? Everyone? Do you all got me? So now let's say this decision is made. Let's refresh again. What is the amount? $1.68. Let's say contract is done. Contract details sent. Then what is that? 90% of the revenue is done. Like basically, we got weighted deal amount as $1.7K. Let's send it to the closed one. Basically, I'm just doing it now. Immediately, I'm doing it. Generally, when in CRM, if you have a lot of deals, this particular stage will help me to this particular screen will help me to get the weighted deals, not just for one deal. Now I said closed one, my deal amount is $2K and my weighted deal is also $2K. Open deal amount is zero, closed one is $2K. When I'm in this place, contact sent, I had my deal amount as when I'm in this stage, I had my open deal amount as $2K, closed one is equal to zero, new deal amount equal to zero, average delayed age is zero. But when you actually in real time, this actual deal range will be 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. Sometimes deals will take months also. Do you all got a clear understanding of how can we have deals in pipelines? Say clear or repeat for deals in pipelines. How many of you got clear understanding of pipeline creations and pipelines, how to use deals for pipelines, how to use pipelines for deals, how to get the potential revenue tracking. How many of you are clear with this, or should I repeat this part? Say clear or repeat for how to find the potential tracking revenue using creating deals and creating pipelines. Guys, you have to do practicals to make sure this is running properly. Please do that. Is it clear or repeat for anything? If you want me to repeat, I had like 8 more minutes. I can repeat. Say me, guys. Is this clear? Is this part clear? How am I having this particular contract or deal is changing multiple stages? I'm making different types of revenue. If I'm in second stage, what is my deal? What is my deal amount? Actual deal amount is $2,000, but my weighted deal amount is $800. Open deal amount is $2,000. Closed deal amount is zero. New amount is zero. Average delay age is zero. So now I am in the weighted deal amount stage for $800 only. How many of you got this? It's clear. So, do anyone want to repeat what is pipelines and deals again? Anyone want to repeat pipelines and deals again? Yeah, guys, please fill the feedback because it helps us to be better. Please fill the feedback. If you had any difficulties understanding the subject, or if you had any difficulties understanding the practicals, please put the review so that we can understand if there is any problem in with the feedback. Please give the feedback. If you have any disturbances, if you have any understanding problem, please put the feedback. So it will help us. Now, you want me to repeat any topic in the today's content? You can ask me. Now I'll quickly rewind all whatever I've discussed now. Just make sure to ask if there is some clear, sir. Can you please keep the recording class links? Uh, Bhagyasri or Bhagyalata, please answer that. Like you can ask in your Telegram links, Telegram groups. Yeah. So now let's just quickly go through all the topics that we have discussed today. First, we started with. So for today, we had this. Do you all clear with this particular question? I've started with this question today. Are you all got clear understanding of what this question is? How to use pipelines and deals in HubSpot CRM? Everyone say clear or repeat this thing. This is the agenda for today, guys. Are you all done with this? Are you all clear with this part? How to use pipelines and deals in HubSpot CRM? Is this clear for everyone? Say yes or no, guys. How to use HubSpot CRM for pipelines and deals? Is it clear for everyone? Say clear or repeat if you want me to repeat. I'll just go through everything. Clear, clear. Okay, nice. So let's go to the first topic that we have discussed. We have discussed what is a service-based company, what is a product-based company. We gave for product-based companies, service-based companies give examples as UPI, doctors, customer support people are called service-based companies. Even just Zoom is a service-based product. Now, software as a service. Zoom is offering software as a service. PowerPoint is a product, is a technical product that we can use. There are two types of revenue that companies can generate. One is B2B revenue, the other one is D2C revenue. B2B revenue means they are approaching companies to get revenue. D2C revenue means they're approaching direct customers. The best example for D2C customers is Boat earphones or Samsung earphones or any companies. Basically they send products. Santur is also direct to customer. Okay. Now B2B ka examples. Let's say you want to build an application, you want to build something. They're called B2B customers because I as a company will approach some other company to build my product. It's called B2B customers. Let's say what is e-commerce? They do advertisements ka revenue. They'll talk company will talk to make the revenue. They're called also B2B businesses. Now later on I explain how will PhonePe will make money. PhonePe will make money from the brand promotions. It is a B2B business. PhonePe is a B2B business. Then we learned what is digital marketing. How will we affect lot of people? What is customer segmentation? How will customer segmentation be done? And how will you convert your customer to monetized customer using four steps, which is acquisition, activation, retention, and monetization. Then we go to how did Geophone, how did Spotify have done their jobs to convert their general user janta to monetized user janta. Then we understood what is customer acquisition cost. Then we understood what is go to market strategies. Then we got into the pipelines and deals. Everyone clear? Is anything missing out from the agenda for main topic for CRMs is how to use pipelines and deals for CRM. You all got that cleared first? Say me clear or repeat for any topic. If you want me to repeat, just put repeat and put the topic name if you want to repeat that particular topic. Say clear or repeat for any particular topic. We have 3 more minutes, guys. You can ask anything. Like I can stay even after the meet is done. Please say clear or repeat. Please fill the feedback, guys. Say clear or repeat for any topic. You want me to repeat? Is classes are interesting, guys? Is everything interesting? So actually, when I'm clicking on create pipeline, it is showing to buy the HubSpot. I don't know why. Uh, you don't have that problem, but I don't know why are you getting that. Let's solve it tomorrow. Like I'll ask you to share your screen. Let's solve it together. Okay. I don't know. Like I don't see that will happen because when I click on this, no, I don't have any problem like that. I'll click on CRMs. I'll go to deals. When I go to deals, when I click on this is my interface. In that I can see pipelines. I can create edit pipelines. When I go to edit pipelines, I can create one more new pipeline very simply. But I don't know why are you getting a problem. Let's do that. Sessions are very interesting, sir. Thank you. Little bit you are going too fast in teaching. Okay. Sorry, guys. From tomorrow we'll make sure to have. That is why I'm asking you guys to say whether it's clear or repeat. But from tomorrow we'll make sure to have it as slow as possible. Okay, sorry guys. Please let me know if you are having such difficulties yourself. And if you can't say it directly, you can put it on the feedback form. We'll take your feedback strongly and we'll come back to the next session with the prepared content. Okay. Is anything missing out, guys? Are you all feeling it's interesting or not? Any other feedbacks? Yeah, I'll just stop my screen share. Okay, cancel. Okay. Is anything else, guys? Class is there. Okay, I have to confirm because I don't have any idea about that. I have to confirm. Anything else, guys? Little bit you're going too fast in teaching. Yeah, we'll make sure to have it slow as possible. I just felt you guys are getting bored. That is the reason I have made it some fast today. But we'll make sure to have it watch slow, go slow tomorrow. Okay. So can I watch the class again, sir? Yeah, you can ask for video links. I don't know. Like, I'm not really sure about that. Sridevi and Ritu. Sorry, not Ritu. Yeah, Lakshmi Prasanna will have sessions bit of slow from tomorrow. If you are facing that, it's fast. Clear? Thank you for today's session. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Good night, guys, everyone. Good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Let's just stop.